Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to our channel, The Butter Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a chicken curry recipe which is made at home very easily. Come, let's dive into the cooking process. For this I am taking around 1 kg of chicken. And for making of masala paste, take a blender and add around 3 green chilies, 1 inch of chopped ginger, 1 small garlic, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 4 cloves, half cinnamon stick, few fennel seeds, 1 handful of coriander, and 1 handful of mint leaves. Add some water. Once after adding water into it, just blend this into a fine paste. The texture should be very smooth, and see here the texture should be like this. Now take a kadai, I am using mud pot here. Add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil into it. Once the oil gets heated, add around 1 tablespoon of jeera. Let jeera splutter. Now add the blended masala paste into it. Add few curry leaves. Adjust the flame into medium flame. Let the oil float from the masala paste. Once you feel that the oil is floating, add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix it well nicely. Now add the chicken into it. Combine well together. Make sure that after adding the masala paste, it's supposed to be there on the medium flame for 10 minutes. And after adding the chicken, you have to keep this in low flame and let it cook for at least 10 minutes without adding water. Now add around 400 ml of water into it. Let this cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, we have to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well all together once. And that's it. The chicken curry recipe is ready to taste. This curry is super combination for white rice, dosa, idli, chapati. As per your wish, this is very good recipe for ragi ball. So try it out and let me know how it turns to you. See you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.